Hello, in this video I want to demonstrate how we can manipulate the username when we use WPM for a privilege account. So as we can see here, this is the username that we're getting when we're retrieving the credential from a safe. Right? However, sometimes we want to change the username to something, for example, so just first I want to show you the original username that's retrieved from the vault. Okay, so as you see, this is the username exactly as it was retrieved from the vault. However, we can manipulate it. So if we go to Advanced and we want to add a domain, attach a domain to that. So we got our login name, and then we're going to add this domain suffix called mydomain.com. Okay, so let's go ahead and give that a try. And now we see that our domain suffix has been added to the username. And now this time I'm going to change it from a suffix to a prefix. Okay, so now we're going to say my domain slash and then the username. And there we go. We see that my domain slash username has been added. That's just an example of how you can manipulate the username through the advanced section of the app template. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.